Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Medtronic Touch Surgery, surgical videos, app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Medtronic Touch Surgery is a medical training app designed to help healthcare students and professionals learn surgical procedures through high-quality step-by-step videos and interactive 3D simulations. Originally created to provide accessible surgical education, the app now includes a wide range of specialties, allowing users to study real surgical workflows, anatomy, and instrument handling. It's available on both iOS and Android and offers detailed procedural breakdowns used by medical professionals worldwide. The app's main feature is its surgical video library. You can explore surgeries with clear visual guidance, narrated steps, and realistic simulations that help you understand each stage of the procedure. It also includes quizzes, checkpoints, and offline access options so learners can review content anytime without an internet connection. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the app's high-quality visuals, accurate procedure breakdowns, and usefulness for medical students, interns, and surgeons in training. Its hands-on simulations help users practice decision-making and improve their understanding of complex surgeries. The structured format also makes it easier to retain information. However, there are some drawbacks. Not all surgical specialties have complete content, and some procedures are locked behind institutional access. A stable internet connection is required for most video modules, and a few users report limited interactivity compared to advanced surgical simulators. Additionally, some features may vary depending on your region or medical institution. In summary, the Medtronic Touch Surgery app may be worth using if you want accessible, high-quality surgical training, step-by-step video guidance, and realistic procedural simulations. However, if you need advanced hands-on virtual reality tools or require full access across all specialties, it might not be the perfect standalone solution for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.